Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskar to all. Let's look at how October 2020 will be for Aquarius or Kumbha Rashi people. Firstly, the planetary positions. Retrograde Mars in the 3rd, Rahu in the 4th, Venus in the 7th, Sun in the 8th, Mercury in the 9th, Ketu in the 10th, Jupiter in the 11th, and finally Saturn in the 12th. So, a lot of planets are not favorable for you in this month, excepting Mars and Guru or Jupiter. You are also running your first phase of the Sadesati. So, definitely this month may be a little challenging for you. Many planets are in unfavorable position. There could be some occasions where you may get humiliated or disappointed at your workplace, so you have to be very careful there. There could be some small misunderstanding or quarrels in the family. Health may get affected. You may have vague thoughts. Mars and Jupiter, however, will provide you some strength to go through this period smoothly. Yes, there are challenges, but you can make this month a better one. Health wise, eye troubles, headaches, if you have a chronic issue that may really trouble you, cough and cold is indicated, and there could be some injury to your feet. Okay, so please be very careful when you're traveling or when you're running. There could be some mental restlessness or anxiety. Your sleep may reduce a little, so pay attention to that. With the support of Mars and Jupiter, however, you will be able to recover quite well. If you have a bad Antardasha or a Dasha running, then you need to take a little extra care about your health. Coming to career or business, for working people specifically, you need to be focused on all your activities. That means you need to be very careful about what you need to do and how fast you need to do. You should also make the decision of doing the right thing. There will be a lot of unessential things you may end up doing. There's a possibility that you will end up working on things that are unproductive, okay, which will waste only your time. Be careful about it. Keep your eyes and ears open. There is a possibility of some deception happening at the workplace. Mars, however, will provide you the courage to move forward and face this month boldly. For businessmen, you need to be careful about your relationship with your partners and your key customers. Any document or paperwork that needs to be done, you have to be very careful before signing them out. Do that due diligence first and take one step at a time, specifically when you are signing the paperwork. You may end up taking travels which will be futile. You may not get anything out of the travels, but you may have to travel for work, which means you'll have less comfort. Your energy levels may also dwindle in this month, so pay extra attention. Try to be calm and cool. Things will be better. For students, yes, a challenging month for students. Put in that extra effort to finish your jobs or tasks on time. Seek proper guidance. If you are in doubt, seek proper guidance from your gurus or your seniors. Coming to wealth or gains, you may end up spending more than what you earn. So keep an eye on your spending. Guard your saved money very carefully. Keep it in such a way that you may not be able to withdraw it easily. Losses through government are seen, specifically in the form of fine or penalties, so pay attention there. This is going to be a month which will bring in average to below average income. Better days are ahead. Don't worry, things will change for good. So stay calm, guard your hard-earned savings. You will be better off in the coming months. Coming to the family front, please avoid argument with elders. Father's health may need attention. Children will support you well adequately this month. There could be some difficulty with your spouse. That means you may exchange a few words or there could be some misunderstanding. So pay attention to that. Don't let your vague thoughts and your gloomy thoughts rather spoil the atmosphere at the home. Keep your head cool and hold your nerve. It's going to be an average month in terms of the family front. How do I make this month a better one? Do these remedies, you'll get better, or you'll feel better at least. Continue to recite Hanuman Chalisa because you are running through your Sade Sati. This has to be done every day. If you want to chant a mantra, praise Lord Shiva, that is pray Om Namah Shivaya 108 times every morning. That will be very helpful. Take oil bath on a Saturday. And if you are looking at donating a few things, you can donate things related to Saturn, specifically black pepper, bananas, books, specifically on a Saturday is going to be very beneficial. Please do these remedies. Hold your nerve, hold your tongue, and make the best use of this month. I wish you all the best. Namaskar.